I do want to talk about losses though, real quick, because it sounds like you just automatically went in and you were like winning. You had losses,
Mm.
right?
Oh, I had a whole lot of losses, like balls deep losses. So in high school, because I was working so much, the first $1,000 that I put into an account, I blew it on penny stocks. Blew it. Didn't know what I was doing because again, the teacher that showed me, she didn't know support and resistance. She was basically just gambling. If she would Google something and it was like, oh, this stock is running, then she would jump in. And I think at the time she was following some guy named Tim Sykes or somebody. I've heard his name before, Sykes. I think it's Timothy Sykes. She was following him. So whatever he was saying, she was just like, oh, he said this, blah, blah, blah. And then it was like, I was doing research and I was like, yo, this company is not a good company. I was like, but if you say so, then I put my money in and I lose and I'd be pissed. So out of the 80 that I won, I probably lost about 20 before I made that 80.
Okay. So yeah, because I want to definitely touch on that because it seems like a lot of people, because I have my little followers or whatever who hit me up and stuff, and a lot of people sometimes feel discouraged because they always see everyone just winning, but it's a process, it's a process, and you're gonna have losses as well. So, but obviously you didn't quit, and that's the
Oh
biggest
no,
thing,
I
right?
didn't quit.
Yeah.
Because I started doing more research and I was looking at the people that were trading and how they were trading. And it was just, again, I had negative Nancy in my ear telling me I needed to go to college. I didn't need to do this. So I didn't never focus on it, like full-time focus on it. It was always something part-time in the back corner. So yeah, I had a whole lot of losses. When I started trading futures, 40K down the drain, 2 accounts. 40K down the drain. Options. I was making stupid mistakes because I had a large size account and then I just blew the whole account up. Blew it up. I went from like 100,000 down to like $25. Then I put another 1,000 in and then I would build it right back up and then blow it again. And it was like after the 7th year, I had to tell myself, Kiki, discipline is what you need. So now it's like, now I'm starting to formulate a plan after 7 years. I'm starting to formulate a plan and not just jump in just because again, it was part-time. So I was just getting in to make money for specific things. And I didn't really have a goal as far as I want this long term. So yeah, I went through a whole lot of losses over the course. I'd say probably 300 to 400K losses.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I can't complain about my losses. Also, ups and downs within your group of people coming in and out. Do you see that quite a bit as well?
Yes. And it's mainly because people don't want to learn. I'm just going to be honest. People are lazy. They want you to do it for them. And what I mean by that is, yes, I do show people exactly how you can make money, but I'm not going to pull the trigger for you. And the premise of Stocks to Freedom is to teach you how to fish, not just give you the fish, because I can give you the fish all day long. But what if one day I decide to wake up and say, I don't want to do this anymore? How are you going to eat?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to have to go to the next person that's going to then give you some more fish. But instead, I feel like if I teach you how to fish, you'll be able to do it forever. And then you can teach your kids, they can teach their kids, and then their kids. So now we're working on actually breaking that generational curse, whereas before you didn't have that option.
Yeah, and that's the ultimate goal, right? Passing on the information and the knowledge that you gained through the groups.